The PTE Describe Image section is like a mini presentation. Imagine you're standing in front of an audience, ready to share your insights. You get an image, and you have to describe it clearly. This image could be anything from a complex graph to a simple photograph. It could be a graph, a chart, or even a photograph. Each type of image requires a different approach to describe effectively. This section tests how well you communicate visually. Your ability to convey the essence of the image is crucial. Can you explain what you see in a way that others understand? That's the key. Think about the main points you want to highlight. It's not about being an art critic. You don't need to delve into every tiny detail or provide an exhaustive analysis. You don't need to analyze every detail. Instead, focus on the most important aspects that convey the overall message. Just focus on the main message of the image. What is the image trying to communicate? What are the key takeaways? Remember, clear and concise communication is the goal. Your audience should be able to grasp the main points quickly and easily. Make sure your words paint a picture for the listener. Use descriptive language to bring the image to life and make it understandable. When the image pops up, take a deep breath. Don't rush into speaking. This moment of calm will help you focus and gather your thoughts. Spend the first few seconds observing the image carefully. Notice the details, the colors, and the composition. What is the main subject? Are there any trends? Look for patterns and connections that might not be immediately obvious. What information stands out the most? Identify the key elements that draw your attention. This quick analysis will help you form a mental outline. Sketching or mapping your thoughts can be very helpful. It gives you a roadmap for your description. Think of it as planning a journey through the image. Remember, the first few seconds are crucial. They set the stage for your entire analysis. Use them wisely to understand the image before you start speaking. Taking notes can also help solidify your observations and ensure you don't miss any important details. A structured response is easier to follow. Imagine you're telling a short story about the image. Start with an introduction. What is the image about? Is it a graph, a chart, or something else? Then describe the key features. What are the most important things you see? Use specific details. Finally, give a brief conclusion. Summarize the main message or trend shown in the image. Time management is crucial in the PTE test. You have limited time for each image description. Practice speaking for about 30 to 40 seconds. This ensures you cover the key points without rushing. Don't get bogged down by minor details. Focus on delivering a clear and concise description within the time limit. Remember, it's better to give a well-structured short description than an incomplete rambling one. Section 5, Tip 4, vocabulary is key. Using a variety of vocabulary can improve your score. Instead of repeating the same words, try to use synonyms. For example, instead of just saying shows, you can say illustrates, depicts, or represents. Practice using descriptive language. If the image shows a trend, describe it as increasing, decreasing, stable, or fluctuating. A rich vocabulary demonstrates your language proficiency, which is what the PTE aims to assess. Section 6, Tip 5, Fluency over perfection. Don't aim for a flawless, scripted response. It's okay to make minor grammatical errors. Focus on speaking naturally and fluently. Don't worry too much about finding the perfect word. Keep the description going. If you stumble, don't panic. Take a breath and continue speaking. Remember, the PTE tests your communication skills, not your ability to deliver a perfect speech. Section 7, Tip 6, Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Find sample PTE. Describe image questions online. Record yourself speaking and then listen back. Identify areas where you can improve your fluency and vocabulary. Practice with different types of images, such as graphs, charts, and photographs. Regular practice will help you feel more comfortable and prepared on the day of the exam. Section 8, Tip 7, it's all about confidence. Believe in yourself. Confidence is the key to unlocking your potential. You have prepared well and you've got this. Trust in the hard work and dedication you've put in. A positive attitude can go a long way. It can transform your mindset and help you tackle challenges with ease. Take deep breaths to calm your nerves before the test. Breathing exercises can help center your thoughts and bring clarity. Visualize yourself speaking confidently and clearly. Imagine the success and the sense of accomplishment you'll feel. Remember, the PTE is just one step towards your goals. Each step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Don't let it overwhelm you. Take breaks when needed and keep a balanced approach. Go in with confidence, do your best, and be proud of yourself for taking on the challenge. Celebrate your efforts and the journey you've embarked on.